I think my aha moment came when I got back into my van with my parents, and I think I had been comparing Central to all the other schools I had visited while I was on the tour, but after I got back in that car and I really discussed it with my parents, I knew that Central was the right place for me. My name is Gannon Oberhauser and I'm from Parkersburg, Iowa. I am in both the a cappella choir and the chamber choir on campus. I help lead the Students Against Sexual Assault initiative as well. I'm on the cheerleading team and I am a tutor in the writing center. I had a really hard time trying to figure out where I wanted to attend school. I went to a very small public school in Iowa, so I knew that I'd be more comfortable at a smaller institution. I scheduled a visit my senior year of high school and I toured, and I really liked the small community aspect of it. I was able to meet with a professor in my intended major of interest. I think it's really important for a lot of prospective students to meet with professors just so they can kind of see how the academic side of campus works. My favorite activity on campus is definitely being part of the a cappella choir. We have around 60 students in that select ensemble. For me, coming in as a freshman, especially during 2020, the COVID year, it was a really easy way to make 60 new friends right away. And we engage a lot outside of choir as well, so it was a great way to build community right away. I started my social justice work when a few other of my friends and I started the Students Against Sexual Assault initiative on campus. I was super grateful that Central allows students to create their own clubs and organizations that fit the needs of students, and we just really wanted to support survivors on campus and off campus and let everyone know the educational resources they had to make other people feel safe on campus as well. So I joined the cheer team. This was a very split-second decision. I have a few friends on the cheer team, and I never would have thought I would have been a cheerleader. I was a three-sport athlete in high school, and cheer was not one of them. And I have really enjoyed it. In my last semester at Central, I will be studying abroad in Barcelona. I'm super grateful that Central brought back this experience for students. It's definitely something that attracted me to Central, and now I'm able to live it out in my last semester here. My advice for high schoolers looking to attend college after they graduate would be look for the institution that gives them the opportunities that they want. For me in particular, Central College was perfect because it gave me the opportunity to still be involved in music as much as I have been, and also get myself involved in other opportunities that I never thought I would be able to at a public university.